Hey guys, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell if you do so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And returning or new, I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. So, sorry my hair is a complete mess. It's raining here. It's South Arkansas. It's humid. It went so I just threw it up. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance for today's video and Sunday's video whenever it comes, or whenever I upload it, because with Father's Day coming up, I'm not myself. I'm really out of it. Just this time of the year with Father's Day coming up, it's gonna be hard. It's one of those things with it being, you know, her first Father's Day. I'd give anything for him to be here and to hold her, and it's just hard. But I'm very, very, very thankful for my husband, and I'm very, very, very thankful that she has a father here on earth to look up to, and that tells her all the time how much her daddy loves her. It's hard, but anyways, so starting on Thursdays, I'm gonna start doing I guess you could say like a series where I do my top 5 favorite of something. This week it's gonna be my top 5 favorite drugstore primers. Next week I'll do my top 5 favorite high-end primers. And that's just, you know, I'll do primer, foundation, concealer, setting powder. You know, we'll just kind of go in order of the way you would put it on your face. Well, let's go ahead and jump in. Like I said, it's going to be my top 5 favorite drugstore primers. Now, these aren't to say that I don't have 10 others that I just absolutely love, but I narrowed it down to these 5. And this is just going in no order. This is just me grabbing it real quick. Okay, the first one is the CoverGirl True Blend Face Primer for dry skin. I have dry skin, so obviously I love this. I really, really, really love to use this if I'm using like a matte foundation, which, you know, I said before that I'll use a face oil if I'm using a matte foundation, but I also use a hydrating primer. I have to sneeze, y'all. And there's a million lights on me and I can't sneeze. Anyways, but this one's a very good drugstore hydrating primer, so I really love it. And this is one of those that if I run out, I have to run to the store and get it again. I love it. Okay, this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And I love foundations that get in there and clog up those pores because I have huge pores. So I love y'all, and if y'all hear this thunder, I'm sorry, it is storming like crazy here. Anyways, but I love primers that get in there, clog those pores up, and really give you a smooth surface to apply your makeup. This one's almost out, so I've got to hurry up next time I go to Walmart and get another one. Alright, the next one is also Maybelline, and it's the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth. And like I said, I'm sorry, I got heartburn too. Like I said, I love anything that just gets in there and blurs those pores out and gives you a smooth surface, and this is really, really, really good at doing that. Actually, these last 4 all do that. Okay, this is the Flower in Your Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. And there's no way to minimize your pores, so it just gets in there and clogs them to have the appearance of them being minimized. But it really, really, really gives a good smooth surface. And this one also mattifies, so I won't ever use this one with a mattifying foundation, but I'll use it, you know, with like a glow dewy type foundation. And I have dry skin, but like I said in my previous video, with it being humid down here, a lot of times in the summertime, like my forehead and stuff will get oily, so I do like mattifying, you know, primers and foundations and stuff in the summertime. Alright, my last one is the Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Power Primer. And it also is like that flower when it's mattifying, and it's pore minimizing. So also I would not use this with a matte foundation, but I absolutely love this primer. And that is my top 5 primers from the drugstore that I love. I use all of these on a regular basis, and like I said, next week it'll be my top 5 high-end primers. And that's it for today. So if you have any questions about what I'm wearing right now, any kind of makeup or the makeup I'm wearing right now, just comment down below and let me know. If y'all think about it on Father's Day, keep me in your prayers, because it's going to be very, very, very hard on me, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see y'all next video. I hope y'all have a great day, night, whatever it may be whenever I upload this. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. That was really, really awkward. Toodles.